namumulaklak, Yektan, namumukadkad. Thank you, Yektan. Or you're just busy, Ken. Hello. How to call? I also don't know, cause if I can't, I'll do it. Charot. Oh, what's mangalay? I'm busy. I'm just more active here. Do you have IG, Ken? Thank you, Ra. Guys, ano, angat siya ng angat, guys. Hi, Daniel. Do you have Instagram? Error, because I'm more active there. Hi, Betty. Ano ayaw? No, you don't disturb me. I'm the one who's, shy. Because sometimes I don't see it. Because I'm on DND and I'm not that active on WeChat. Jabin. So sometimes, because there's a lot of app, I got, busy. Chat busy. Hi. Because I don't know what app anymore. I don't know what app should I use. Hama. Because I have TikTok, I have IG, I have Blue app. So there's WeChat, PG. I know that PG Vigo. You know, I'm overwhelmed. Charot. I'm lost. What do you mean, Ra? Loco. Alternative. How about IG or desktop, right? Oh, thank you for your following, guys. Follow me on Instagram too. It's on my bio. Keke, why are you still awake, Ken? Total. Or you just woke up? Risky, hello. Alfredo, thank you.